Welcome students to online audio and video lessons. This is an initiative taken by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, CBSE, Vasai, Maharashtra. Hello students, so today I am going to teach you what is Excel. That is your chapter 6, working with Excel 2013. So in this we are going to learn what is Excel. First, how to open Excel. See, I am having Excel here itself. Can you see it? If you don't have here, go to the start menu, all programs. In that you will get Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office will be there for you people, and in Microsoft Office you go and you will find the Excel 2013 or 2010 or 2019, whatever, but for me it is available here itself, so that's why I'm going from here. So this is Excel, this one is Excel. Can you see the sign? Okay, why we use the Excel? First thing what comes in our mind is why we are using the Excel. What is there in using Excel? See, blank, I am taking the blank workbook. So this is how a Excel look. So can you see it? Similar, you can see some similarities in this. The similarities is with the maths textbook. Can you see the same way? Yeah, the calculations, when we want to do some sort of calculations on our work, that time we are using the Excel. Actually, Excel is used to do calculation. It helps in analyzing the data. It provides several extra tools to work with, such as formulas are there, tables are there, sorting, filtering, conditional formatting, graphs. All these things can be done using this Excel. Now, in your chapter, this is the chapter 6. In this chapter, you are having only how to open Excel. What are the Excel window contains, what are the fields contained in Excel window, what are the data types, how we are entering data, and how creating a new workbook, how to save it, and how to select a cell. Okay, so in this video I am showing you this is what Excel looks. Okay, this is the Excel, and in this we are going to learn the Excel window. This is the Excel window, and in this window what are the properties, what are this buttons and tabs work as, let us know it, what is are known as. So this upper part, this one, this you can see this is known as the quick access toolbar. This is known as the quick access toolbar. This upper portion is known as the quick access toolbar. I am again and again I am saying this is the quick access toolbar. Can you see it from here? It's already written here, quick access toolbar. Then comes your, this is the name of the Excel workbook, whatever be the name, that is the active page. Whichever sheets it open, that is called active page. This is called the active workbook. Okay, this is the active workbook. And this button I have told you, quick access toolbar. This whole belt, this belt is known as the title bar. This is the title bar because here all the titles are shown. Then comes your, here can you see all this ribbon display? This is the ribbon display, whatever ribbons. So this is the ribbon. See, in this is the ribbon, this is called the ribbon. In this ribbon, whatever you want to display, you can see it, and by clicking on this you can move the ribbon. If you want to hide it, you can hide it. If you want to show it, you can show it. So this is called the ribbon display. If you want to display this ribbon, this is called the ribbon. This whole line is known as the ribbon. Okay, next is your this A, B, C, D. Can you see here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are called columns in Excel. These are the columns. Like tables, we are having columns. In this way, A, B, C, D is known as columns, whereas 1, 2, 3, 4, these are known as rows. What are they? These are known as rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and A, B, C, D are known as columns. So a column in Excel, there are 16,384 columns. How many columns? That is A, B, C, D, like this. How many columns are there? 16,384. this much columns are there in Excel. So this columns A, B, C, D. After this C, you can see it. After U, V, W, X, Y, Z, then comes A, B, A, C, A, D. Now after A, Z, it will come. See, can you see it? A, Z. After A, Z, it will come B, A, B, 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 C, B, D, B, E, B, F, and then last. Again after that, like this it will go on. Okay, so it will go on in this way. So this is called columns, and the last column will be XFD. The last column, like from A to XFD, the last column will be till XFD. The similar way, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are called rows, and the rows there are 1,48,500. Sorry, 1 lakh not 10,48,576 rows. So there are 10,48,576 rows. Can you understand? So this much rows are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 till this much number. The rows are there. So 10,48,000 rows are there, and 16,384 columns are there. So A, B, C, D are known as the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 are known as the rows. This line is known as this belt. Can you see? This belt is known as ribbon, and this one is known as quick access toolbar. This belt above this top belt is known as title bar. Okay. Now comes this one. Can you see this bar? This is called the formula bar. See, it is written already. This is called formula bar, where you put the formula. This is called the formula bar. Okay. Next is your this one is known as the name box. What is this? This is the name box. That is whichever cell you are selecting. By clicking this cell is known as active cell. First keep it in mind. The cell which is in a dark border is known as the active cell. Means whatever you want to type, all the things will be typed in this cell only, where your cursor is kept. So this is the active cell, and its number will be displayed, its name will be displayed here. How the names are displayed? See, when you select any of the cell, this is called cell. Intersection of columns and rows makes a cell. This is the cell. So how you have to name? First write the column number. Which column is this? D. And which row is this? 11. So D11 is the answer for this. So next, again if you select this one, which is this? G, and this is 7. So G7 is the answer. So these are called name. This is the active cell, and this is the name of the cell. So that is why it is known as name box. Okay. Now if you want to see, scroll up and down, can you see it? This is the scrolling bar. This is vertical and this is horizontal scrolling. So these are the scrollers. Now this is called sheet 1, and next if you want one more sheet, click on this. This is the new sheet button. By clicking on this new sheet button, you will be added one more sheet, and this sheet in which you are working, this is called the active sheet. Okay, this sheet is the active sheet. And then suppose you are having here one more sheet. I am just showing you. There are 2 sheets, and if you want, see, right click. What is this written? See, scroll to the last sheet. Control plus left plus click. You can scroll to the last sheet, or you can right click or see all the sheets. So right click it. So you will be seeing. See, this is the right click. See, this one after the other, you can see the sheets. So this is called the sheet tab. Okay, sheet 1, sheet 2, like this. Okay, you can see it. But when you are having so many sheets, that time it will be a scroller. It works as a scroller. Now it will not work. But if you are having multiple sheets and it gets fully completed till here, then it will be working for the sheets to move. Okay. Next, these are the scroll bars. I have told you, vertical and horizontal scroll bars. These are the scroll bars. We called it as scroll bars. Okay. So these are the scrolling bars. Next is worksheet view. Next is your worksheet view. This is the Worksheet view, can you see it? This view is known as worksheet view, and this view is known as, this view is the worksheet view, and these are the zoom controls. Can you see it? This 100%, if you want to increase the size you can increase. These are called zoom control, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, these are known as. So these are the some of the important parts of a Excel window. You should keep it in mind. So just go through this video, you will be able to understand what are the special key, what are the buttons and what are this are named as. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.